Hello, Roger Bisbee here from the Skill Builder channel. We've got a question here from Michael. Michael's putting a shower in, so let's have a look. It's got a nice video here. I love this when you send these kind of videos in. Saves me doing a lot of work.
Good morning. I've installed into our bathroom now these backer boards. They are the foam composite type, 12.5mm with a like a cement based front and back. Put all the screws in and stagger the joints. However, I need to come and seal it now. Obviously there's going to be a bath going in here and a shower. But I've been provided a ProShield tanking kit, some of this tape and some of this hardy backer tape. So I'm really confused though at the moment as to whether or not that's the right stuff to actually tape and seal all of these joints. Any advice would be greatly received. Thank you.
Yeah, we know that stuff. We know that stuff very well. Elements board is the one I use, and I use it all the time. This is a polymer face tile backing board, totally waterproof. And what you normally do is you put it in, and in all the wet areas, you seal the joints with that tape that is just shown. But when it comes to the corner here, you've got two walls meeting each other and you can get differential movement. So at this point we tend to put a waterproof tape in around that corner so that it covers the whole corner. If any water seeps in there, it can't get past the tape. Now the other joints here where you're in the shower area, you can also use the waterproof tape on, and then everything else he can use that hardy backer scrim to complete the job with the tile adhesive. Now you can use waterproof tile adhesive for fixing that tape down and it's fine, but you can also use Aquaseal, which is a rubberized compound like a paint, and you just paint that on, and then that is waterproof and flexible in itself, and then you just press the tape into it and it makes a much better job. I'm not a fan of using waterproof tile cement to put that tape on, simply because if there is some movement it can crack and then you could get water seeping in. But the other thing that you could have done, Michael, which would have been great, would have been to use something like a CT1 or any of the modified polymers that they do now. There are many of them around, and if when you put the board up you just run a bead of this polymer down, or it's like a silicone but it's not, down the edge of the board before you put the next one against it, you will have an absolutely belt and braces job. You'll have all those boards stuck together with a waterproof polymer, and then you can just go over the top with a little bit of waterproofing tape there, a little bit there, a little bit there, and scrim for the rest of it. It will never ever leak, even if the building starts to move about, you know, just drying out and all the rest of it. So that would be my advice, and this is marvellous stuff, this tile backer board. I use it, as I say, easy to cut, it's got thermal insulation, plenty strong enough, very lightweight, and you think, oh, can that hold the tiles? But believe me, once the tiles go onto that, it's pretty rock solid. So I hope that helps, Michael, and you're doing a great job.
That was Roger coming to you from the Skill Builder Catacombs. Let us know where you'd like Roger to broadcast from in the next Ask Skill Builder episode, and we'll pick our favourite and send a Skill Builder beanie hat to whoever picked the best location. That's if you want a Skill Builder beanie hat. You might not want one.